Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set auto call recording in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, go to this call button and go to these three vertical dots here and go to settings there. Now here click on record calls and here turn on the button against auto record calls and accept terms and conditions. Just click on continue and now click over auto record calls, and here first option is selected all calls. That means all incoming outgoing calls, whether saved or unsaved, all numbers will have call recording. Okay, that is the first option. Second option, calls with unsaved numbers. Only calls with unsaved numbers, numbers not saved in your phone, will have the call recording. Okay, no numbers will not have any call recording. Then third one is calls with specific numbers. You can assign some numbers and for which only call recordings will be enabled. Okay, if you have selected third one, you go to click on numbers to auto record, and here you can type number manually or you can choose from contacts. First I type number manually 7010379240 and click on add, and it will be added. If you want to add one more, again you go to click on add phone number and type a number 88381192 and click on plus symbol. It will be added. So in this way you can add more numbers. Okay, suppose if you want to remove some number from here, just you can click on this minus symbol, it will be removed. If you want to choose from contacts, click on contacts here and select any contact here. Here I select these two contact and click on done. So for those numbers only call recording will be done. Okay, suppose if you want to get all calls to be recorded, select first option. For demo purpose I select first one and I show the demo now. I will receive a call from another number. See here, call is received and I attend the call and the recording is going here. Hello, 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 call recording, checking, call recording checking. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I stop the recording, and to see the recorded file, go to home page and go to Samsung, go to my files and go to internal storage and click on recordings folder here and click on call folder, and this is the recorded file. Okay, just play this file. Give all permissions. And the recording is going here. Hello, call recording, checking. Okay, so in this way you can easily set auto call record for some particular numbers or unknown numbers or all numbers. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.